Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, stock number E2232PA. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, bright white in color. To be Chrysler certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, along with 3 months, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and put you in that perfect driving position. Again, just turned 18,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate touchscreen for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, heating and air conditioning, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, with additional under-seat storage and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon, in the city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.